Well, it's no secret vaccination rates for COVID-19 and the flu are lower than health experts would like to see. Well, today, the director of the CDC brought her vaccination push to Detroit. She also wanted to learn more about a program right here that's meeting community residents where they live. Megan Woods went along for the ride.
The Detroit Health Department isn't just inviting the community to go to these vaccination clinics. They're bringing the clinics to the community, to the neighborhoods, and it's catching the attention of the CDC director.
It's a blessing to be able to just get what you need, when you need it.
This free flu and COVID clinic is more than just convenient for Joanna Parker. She's staying with the Neighborhood Service Organization, NSO, as they help her look for housing.
I have ovarian cancer, so my immunity is very low. I catch everything, and so I have to keep up with my COVID vaccines in order to continue the treatments.
Because even though life has gone back to normal, CDC Director Dr. Mandy Cohen says COVID is still lingering.
Here in the Detroit area, we are still seeing a lot of COVID. Actually, in the last week, 800 people have gone into the hospital with COVID here in Michigan.
While flu season is just beginning and the vaccination rates aren't where she believes they need to be for either virus.
We know about 16% of adults have gotten vaccinated across the country, but that is too low. We need to get folks vaccinated to make sure they're protected. It's one of the reasons I am here in Detroit.
Today, she toured the NSO building on Mack Avenue. Known as one of the first healthy housing facilities in the country. It's a physical and behavioral health clinic, a place for people with no housing to stay after being discharged from the hospital, and a 56-bed women's shelter.
We have to make sure we're partnering with folks who are doing amazing work in the African American community here in Detroit. It's why I'm at the Healthy Housing Center here in Detroit, because they are reaching those communities and they're already trusted.
And NSO says today's event is just one example of how they're addressing neighborhoods' needs.
This is one of those healthcare deserts. The east side of Detroit really needs healthcare support. And so this vaccination clinic provides that support for people who can't get to the hospitals or other centers that are dispersed throughout the city.
In Detroit, Megan Woods, Local 4.
All right, Megan, thank you for that report. And that clinic is part of a partnership between the Detroit Health Department and the NSO, Neighborhood Service Organization. If you're interested in a free vaccination clinic near you, connect with your local health department.